맞아.
Folding up my Brompton, ready for the ride. Pedal through the morning with the wind by my side. Leaves are softly falling, painting paths of gold. Every turn's a story waiting to unfold. Down the quiet back roads where the willows sway, sunlight's dancing lightly, chasing cares away. Handlebars are steady, heart is beating free. This is where I'm meant to be, just the road and me. Freedom for all for freedom.
그쪽으로만 가.
Freedom to do anything, freedom to do nothing, right in the light.
천천히 가면 천천히.
Oh, the Brompton breeze, it's calling out my name. Rolling through the seasons, never feels the same. Every mile's a melody, every hill's a song. Riding on forever, where my heart belongs. Past the old stone fences, where the wildflowers grow. Wheels keep spinning softly to a place I know. River runs beside me, whispering its tune. Sky's a canvas painted by the autumn moon. Stop to catch my breath, lean against a tree. Moments like these, they're what set me free. Brompton's my companion through the dusk and dawn, carrying me gently till the day is gone. Oh, the Brompton breeze, it's calling out my name. Rolling through the seasons, never feels the same. Every mile's a melody, every hill's a song. Riding on forever, where my heart belongs. Freedom for all for freedom. Freedom to do anything, freedom to do nothing. Right in the light, riding on my Brompton breeze.